Let me show you how we can add a picture inside the cell in Microsoft Excel. Select the cell, then head to Insert tab at the very top and you will see options for pictures. There are two ways we can put picture inside that little cell or place it over multiple cells. So let's try the first method. Place in cell. I will browse my computer and put it from my machine. Here it is. It's really tiny. Of course, if we scale this up, so if I make this cell wider and also taller, the image will scale with it, but it will stick only inside one cell. We could try to merge multiple cells to increase this area as well, to give more space for that certain image. But we will have more freedom if we insert the same image, that is ladder large image, over cells. So I go back to the Insert tab, Pictures, and now I select in the second option, Place over cells. And now it's load the image in the original size, and I can move it around this spreadsheet and I can position this exactly as I want. You may notice there are also some additional options for the picture format at the top, so we can change contrast, we can adjust colors, we can even try to remove backdrop. With the built-in background remover, there are some effects that you may be familiar with. They're exactly the same effects that you can choose in PowerPoint, so they're kind of universal across. So we can apply those effects, pictures, effects, glows, and all that stuff is here as well. Now I took this picture away from that cell by clicking this icon, and I can click it again and then click on that cell to put it in. So we can take it out or we can put it in. I hope this short tutorial was helpful and I will see you in the next video.